In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Square account. We'll go from zero to ready for use so you can start taking payments with confidence. Begin by heading to Square's sign-up page on your computer or mobile browser. You can type in the official address for the sign-up page, or, if you prefer using your phone or tablet, download the Square Point of Sale app and tap Create Account. Either route takes you into the same setup flow, so choose whatever's most convenient. You'll first enter some basic information. Provide an email address you have access to, and create a strong password. Then add your business name and choose the type of business you operate, such as an individual or sole trader, a registered company, retail, or services. Pick the option that best describes your work. Don't worry, you can adjust many of these details later if your business evolves. Next comes identity verification. Because Square processes payments, they're required to confirm who you are and the nature of your business. You'll be asked for things like the owner's name, business address, type of business, and an estimate of your sales. In some regions, you may be prompted to upload a government-issued photo ID or other documents. Make sure everything matches your official records to avoid delays. It helps to have your legal business info on hand so you can breeze through this section smoothly. To receive your payouts, link a bank account to your Square profile. This is where your sales will be deposited. Enter your bank details carefully and follow any on-screen verification steps. Depending on your bank and location, verification may complete quickly or take a little time. While you can keep setting things up, funds won't be transferred until the account is verified. If you have a dedicated business bank account, use that for clearer bookkeeping. If you plan to accept in-person payments, this is a good moment to order compatible Square hardware, like a contactless card reader or a countertop terminal. If you don't need hardware, you can still run your business using the app for manual cash sales and record keeping, and you can explore other tools like invoicing once you're verified. Finally, sign into your Square dashboard on the web or open the POS app to get your setup business ready. Add your products or services, organize categories, set prices and taxes, and, if relevant, turn on inventory tracking. You can customize receipts, add your logo, and review the reporting and invoicing features to match your workflow. Once these essentials are in place and your bank account is verified, you're ready to start taking payments and tracking your sales with Square.